I myself am R.Bhushan. Welcome to the program ASG Abhinav Study Group. Biology के section में we are discussing about the 10 questions. 10 questions, very important 10 questions MCQ that will be very useful for NEET, AIMS and JEET में. तो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इन 10 क्वेश्चन को अगर आप डेली याद करते हैं तो एक महीने में लगभग 300 क्वेश्चन आपका तैयार होता है. तो वाइल हियरिंग माई वीडियो आप कुछ ना करें, 2-3 बार सुने और उसका जो माइक्रो फैक्ट हुआ आता है, जो मैं आंसर बोलता हूँ, उसको ज़रूर आप याद कर लीजिए. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Consider the given features and choose the correct one from the option given below with respect to the living beings. Number 1, they reproduce, they metabolize, they have cellular organization. Fourth, they have ability to respond to stimuli. So जो इसका आंसर है, all of the above, सभी सही हैं. It means that regarding the living beings, all are correct. They produce, they reproduce, they metabolize, they have a cellular organization, they have ability to respond. Question number 22. In unicellular organism, growth can be observed by in vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells under microscope. In vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells under microscope. In vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells under microscope. So in unicellular organism, growth can be observed by in vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells under microscope. Which of the following aspect is an exclusive? Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Question number 24. Choose from the following properties shown only by the living organism. So इसमें जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ग्रोथ, इंक्रीज इन मास, रेस्पॉन्स टू टच स्टिमुली, रेस्पॉन्स टू टच स्टिमुली, रेस्पॉन्स टू टच स्टिमुली. Question number 25. Choose an appropriate option to complete the given statement. In plants, growth takes place by cell multiplication throughout their lifespan. Cell multiplication throughout their lifespan. Cell multiplication throughout their lifespan. In plants, growth takes place by cell multiplication throughout their lifespan. Question number 26. Metabolism can be the best defined. Metabolism can be best defined as the sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in a body. The sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in a body. The sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in a body. So metabolism can be best defined the sum total of all chemical reactions occurring in a body. Question number 27. A living organism can be easily distinguished from non-living on the basis of reproduction. So a living organism can be easily distinguished from non-living on the basis of reproduction. Question number 28. The common phenomena which is exhibited by living and non-living organism to show the feature of growth is increase in mass. Select the correct option from the following. So the correct option is mule and worker bee do not reproduce. Mule and worker bee do not reproduce. Mule and worker bee do not reproduce. Mule and worker bee do not produce. Question number 30. This is the last one of today. Match of the following, column 1, column 2. So A का correct जो है planaria true, planaria true, planaria true. B fungi true. Fungi का जो है सेकेंड है asexual spores. Fungi asexual spores. C is east budding. D का भी थर्ड है hydra regeneration budding. Amoeba binary fission. So my dear friends, this objective I have taken from one of the beautiful book, 25,000 objective questions of biology, ABC books से लिया मैंने. So thank you very much, wish you all the best and good luck.